So today I'm going to show you how to adjust the water level. If you've not got enough water going into the basin to rinse everything away, we should say, it's a simple job just to adjust it. All it is get rid of that, get rid of that. So, you see the water levels low there. You see where it used to be, around there. We want it about that height, just below the overfill. So what we do, we just adjust that. So clockwise, should fill up to that level. You can see it rising now. And there we go, we're nearly there. And that is just below the overfill, so that's about spot on. I'll see you on the next video.